Hello, I'm Ray of Ray's Creations, and I'm here to show you how to install your new Wil-o-Wisp VRChat Companion. Whether you're starting a new project or adding the Wisp to an existing avatar, you'll want to launch Creator Companion and make sure your packages are up to date. You'll want to make sure to include AV3 Emulator, Avatar 3.0 Manager, Gesture Manager, and Animation Repathing. A link to Animation Repathing can be found in the description below. Once your project is open, you'll need to make sure you have the Poyomi Toon Shader package installed. Then you can import the Wil-o-Wisp package. A link to Poyomi Toon Shader is in the description below. In the Wil-o-Wisp folder, find the prefab called Unpack Me and drag it into the first layer of your avatar's hierarchy. Then unpack the prefab. This prefab contains all the objects the Wisp needs to function. And now we just have to drag them onto the appropriate points in your avatar's hierarchy. The rotation anchor object goes in the bottom layer just outside the Unpack Me object. Orb shoulder anchor R goes on your avatar's right shoulder bone, and shoulder anchor L goes on the left shoulder bone. The orb hand anchor L and R objects go on the left and right hand bones respectively. With all the objects placed, you can now delete the Unpack Me object. You will likely need to reposition the various anchors. Manually set the hand anchor object positions to 0, 0, 0. Then use the widgets to move the shoulder anchors so that the blue collider hitboxes are just above your avatar's shoulders. These hitboxes designate the areas where you can interact with the Wisp to set or remove it from your shoulders or hands. Next, we'll choose how your Wisp looks. Open the Materials folder and drag one of the orb materials onto the Wisp to set its color. Then open the Orb Prefabs folder and pick one of the particle effect packages and drag it onto the sphere object in the hierarchy. There are 5 colors, each with either a fiery or ghostly particle effect to choose from. We now need to merge the animation controllers. Open Avatar's 3.0 Manager and drag in your avatar. Expand FX and click Animator to merge. Then select the orb controller and hit Merge on Current. Then click the 3 lines, scroll down to Copy Parameters, select the orb parameters, and hit Copy. We will now need to correct some of the Wisp's animations. Open HFC Red's Animation Repathing, select Manual, drag in your avatar and hit Refresh. You'll likely see a list of yellow file paths. These represent references to objects in your avatar that the animations can't find. Some avatars like this one may have non-Wisp animations that are missing references to. You'll be able to tell the ones you need to fix because the word orb will show up a few times in their file path. To fix the animations, simply drag in the missing objects from the hierarchy one at a time and hit Apply. The missing object will have a name that matches the last part of the file path, and it will be one of the objects we added from the Unpack Me object. When all yellow paths with orb are gone, your animation should be fixed. The final step is to add the Wisp functions to your character's expression menu. Locate your character's expression menu, open it up, and add a new submenu. Then just set the submenu to Orb Menu and remove any parameter that might have been assigned. And with that, you should be done. If you want to test the Wisp before you upload your avatar, just enable the AV3 emulator, hit play, and start playing with the radial menu and gesture controls further down. I hope you enjoy your new Wil-o-Wisp, and I hope to see you in VRChat too. Bye-bye!